Assembly tutorial for manual electric integrated electric roller shutter. Step 1. First, attach the packing belt flat along the edge of the fabric. Then reinforce the packing belt with staples. After stapling the packing belt, thread the roller tube into the clamping slot. After threading, roll the fabric down to the bottom first. Then thread and staple another packing belt on the back, attaching it flat along the lower edge. Reinforce it with staples. Then the bottom beam can be threaded through. Now thread in the fabric-wrapped bottom beam. Now wrap the fabric around the bottom beam, pull this side tight, press the fabric firmly, and wrap it around once. Flip it over, then use a tool to press and compact the fabric along the upper slot of the upper track. Hold this side down to prevent the fabric from popping out. Thread the pressing strip into the fabric. Fit the ceiling cover onto the bottom beam. Insert the motor into the roller tube. Insert the spring into the roller tube. Then rotate it clockwise for 2 turns. Slide it onto the roller tube. Fit the end plug onto the bracket. Slide the head bracket onto the motor. Then fasten it with screws. Then clip the spring bracket onto the spring end. Fasten it with screws. After fixing, pull out the cotter pin. Finally, clip the handle onto the bottom beam. The assembly of this manual electric integrated electric roller shutter is completed.